Morning, guys. Mr. UnBreakIt here. We got a deck down here that has been leaning for a long time. Been wanting to fix it.
I caught a fish on your pole.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I can't get the thing out of it.
You caught another one?
Yep, we got the thing now.
You need to hook out?
Yeah.
I'll help you.
It's hard.
Yeah, sometimes they get in there.
It's down deep.
But here's that deck landing. And I want to figure out a way to lift it up.
Dad, there's a spider under there.
There's a spider under there?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, I'll look out for that. But I don't want to get in this water to fix it. Oh. Watch the dogs. So, you got any ideas how we can lift that deck up?
Well, I could get in there and push it up.
Well, I don't want anybody to get in the water to do it.
Fine.
I got an idea. Got an idea.